make connection on the upper thigh. We go up 2 and catch with our left leg and go back, guys, free. Then I go slide and drop 4, hold her on the balance, cross 5 and catch with the hand here, which is important, 6. Bring her back, pulling with the right hand and cross with the right leg here, because I want to watch in that way, on the 7, as fast as possible. After pulling with the right, I have to switch the hand here. So it's 7. And watch how I'm making space so I can turn and go now in diagonal. I have to go to her other side while pushing with my right hand, 8. And then I'm going to push with left and I'm going to go the other side. And 1. And then push again. And 2. Starting. And then turn her and face 3. Pull her with the right hand back, turning her a little bit. Because like this I can go behind her easily. Okay, then I will do with the right hand the leading to my left and cross with the left leg here. Keep pushing with the left hand and go away from the girl, turning, and then bring her back to you, and then close and stop. 8. Throw the hands, elbow up, and at the same time with the hand rotation, and this happens at once, and 1. Then we cross, 2, push on the right leg, 3, push on the left, make connection and frame. 4, and now we're going to jiggle between our right and left. We're going to tell her, go this way, go this way. Basically, it's just a leading up, but at the same time, I'm stopping her with my hand and with the thigh. Stop, 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 stop. And I'm making 5, 6, and change by the way to my right leg, and then pushing syncopation, 7 and 8. For the lady styling, I'm throwing the hands up, and Eva is going to stretch and cross up the hands, and then go behind her back, and then the guy is going to ask you for the frame, so you give him the frame back. Good. We go. 7, 8, we go connection 1 to the leg, up 2 and catch with the hand, go back 3 and slide and drop 4. We cross 5, 6, switch the hand on her back. 7, push with the hand and cross 8, push with the hand and cross 1, push with the hand and cross 2, turn and tap 3, catch again the hand behind, bring her back 4, turn her and step back 5, push her to the side and go away 6, bring her back 7, block 8, style 1, cross 2 on my left, and then on my right 4, come to the girl, and I'm going to give her 5, come back 6, and put the body weight on the right leg, 7 and 8.